Hey there, and welcome. If you're looking to turn your warehouse from just another cost center into a real competitive advantage, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to walk through a blueprint to totally transform your operations. Let's get right into it. So, let me start with a question for you. Is your warehouse costing you more than just money? I mean, think about it. The lost time, the customer frustrations, the sheer stress. Those are the hidden costs that are really hamstringing your business, and they almost always point to deeper issues. Does this list look a little familiar? Yeah, things like inaccurate records, wasted space, slow order picking. These aren't just your problems, believe me. They're pretty much universal challenges. But the good news? Every single one of them is solvable with the right game plan. So, where do we possibly begin? Well, it's not with buying new forklifts or more shelving. Nope. We start with the single most valuable thing you have, your data. This is all about creating that blueprint for efficiency by first truly understanding what you're working with. You know, the core principle here is something called Pareto analysis, but you probably know it as the 80-20 rule. It's a really simple but powerful idea. A small handful of your inventory items drive the vast majority of its value. This means you absolutely should not be treating every single item in the same way. And this chart just makes it crystal clear. See that? That top 20% of your items, your A items, could easily represent 80% of your total inventory value. So what's the big takeaway? Focus your time and control on that vital 20%, because that's where you get the biggest bang for your buck. The way you actually put this into practice is through ABC classification. It's simple. Your high-value A items get the VIP treatment. We're talking tight control, frequent checks. Your B items get moderate control, and the low-value C items, they get the simplest, easiest controls. This is Lean Warehousing 101, putting your energy where it matters most. Okay, so now that we know what to focus on, let's talk about where everything goes. It's time to structure your physical space for success. You've really got two main ways of thinking about stock location. Fixed is predictable. Item X always goes in bin Y. It's easy, but you can end up with a ton of empty, wasted space. Then there's random storage, which uses every last square inch. The catch? It absolutely requires a solid warehouse management system, or WMS, to keep you from losing track of everything. The right choice here really depends on your specific operation. Of course, your layout is only as good as the tools you're using. The right equipment makes a huge difference in your speed and safety. Racking helps you go vertical, conveyors automate the flow, and, these specialized racks for small parts can be a total game changer for your picking efficiency. All right, our analysis is done, our layout is optimized. Now it's time to layer in the tech that gives you that true, real-time control over every single thing in your warehouse. The magic acronym here is AIDC. That's Automatic Identification and Data Capture. This is the stuff that gets rid of manual data entry, which, as you know, slashes human error and gives you a precise digital twin of your physical inventory. It's pretty incredible. Now, what's really cool is comparing the two main tools here. Barcodes are like the reliable workhorse. They're cheap, they're effective, but you need that line of sight to scan them. RFID, on the other hand, is the next level. It can scan an entire pallet of goods in an instant without you having to unpack a thing. It's perfect for high-speed operations. And the thing that connects all of this, your scanners, your inventory data, your location strategies, is the warehouse management system, the WMS. Think of it as the central brain of the entire operation. It gives you visibility and control over literally everything, from the moment a truck pulls up to the moment an order goes out the door. So, we've built this lean, mean, efficient system. But how do we make it stick? This final piece of the puzzle is all about embedding the practices that make sure your warehouse isn't just efficient, but also safe, clean, and consistently accurate. A fantastic framework for this is the 5S methodology. It's a simple, step-by-step process for creating a clean, organized, high-performing workspace. And it's so much more than just housekeeping. It's a discipline that just naturally reduces waste and improves safety. And speaking of safety, it has to be non-negotiable. Period. Following protocols from groups like OSHA isn't just about checking a box. It's about protecting your most valuable asset, your people. Things like proper forklift handling and dock safety, they are absolute musts. So how do you keep that inventory accuracy you've worked so hard for?
Well, you stop relying on that painful, shut-the-whole-place-down annual stocktake. Instead, you bring in cycle counting. It's a continuous process of auditing small sections of your inventory. This lets you find and fix little errors as they happen before they become big problems for your customers.
At the end of the day, this is the goal, right? Not just to make tiny little improvements, but to fundamentally transform your warehouse into a lean, efficient, and truly world-class facility that actually helps drive your business forward. So let's just recap that path to mastery. It all starts with smart analysis. From there, you optimize your layout and operations. Then, you leverage technology for total control. And finally, you embed a culture of safety. That's it. That is the blueprint for success. So now you have the foundational knowledge, the blueprint. The real question is, what's the next step for you? How do you take these ideas and really apply them with the confidence of an industry leader? Bridging that gap from a capable manager to a true industry leader, that often requires a deeper dive with hands-on, expert-led training. The source for today's explainer was actually a course from IIPD Global, which is designed to do exactly that, to get you ready to tackle the challenges of this crazy, evolving industry. Thanks so much for watching.